Investors and other interested parties are beginning to wonder whether stablecoins will remain stable as banks collapse at an alarming rate. With the failure of Silvergate, the FDIC has now closed down and assumed control of SVB, which was holding $3.3 billion of Circle's funds, the issuer of USDC. The USDC peg recently hit a low of $0.869 on the Kraken exchange as a result of this news. Depegging throughout the DAI, TrueUSD, TUSD, Frax, Frax, and Pax Dollar soon followed as a result of a contagion, USDP. As a result, USDT's price soared to a high of $1.06, indicating a transfer of funds to the more powerful stablecoin. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. While you are already here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. The collapse of SVB, a wake-up call for stablecoins. Stablecoin stability and reliance on the banking sector have come under scrutiny following the collapse of SVB and the depegging of these coins. Although banks failing is not a recent problem, it has happened previously, and several banks have failed recently, notably Silvergate and the current defaulting bank, SVB. Investors, regulators, and the general market have all experienced considerable panic and bewilderment as a result of these failures. The SVB collapse was especially worrying because it included a sizable fraction of Circle's cash, which made up a sizable portion of the USDC supply. The stability of USDC was significantly impacted by SVB's drag. Since USDC is intended to maintain a 1:1 peg with the US dollar, there should be an equivalent amount of US dollars held in reserve for each USDC token created. However, the failure of SVB rendered inaccessible $3.3 billion of Circle's money, which were held by SVB, endangering the USDC peg. Stablecoins in crisis, the need for transparency and regulation. With the failure of SVB, the USDC and other coins were depegged, highlighting both their vulnerability and reliance on the integrity of the banking sector. Because stablecoins depend on banks to keep their reserves, their stability is in jeopardy if banks fail. Concerns concerning the issuers of these coins' accountability and transparency are also raised by the depegging. The assurance provided by Circle's declaration that they would stand by any shortage in the USDC stablecoin supply raises concerns regarding the scope of their liabilities and the safeguards they have put in place to maintain the stability of USDC. Many in the sector have expressed concern about the lack of monitoring and support for stablecoins, and this episode may finally compel regulators to look more closely at the coins and the role that banks play in their administration. Regulating stablecoins, a call for greater oversight. The argument over how regulators should manage stablecoins has also been rekindled in the wake of SVB's demise. The Treasury Secretary, Janet Yellen, expressed support for SVB but omitted to mention a bailout. Several in the sector have expressed concern about stablecoins' lack of regulatory monitoring and support, and this episode might make authorities re-evaluate the stability of stablecoins and the role that banks play in their operation. Do you feel the stablecoins are really stable or not? We would love to hear your opinion. Share your thoughts and feedbacks with us in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep investing in crypto.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.